If you're looking for a place where you can finally take a deep breath and enjoy effortless living, Bloomfields is the place for you. Nestled in the city of Frederick's northern hillside, you can enjoy idyllic nature views while still being connected to everything from downtown adventures to daily conveniences. Hi, I'm Wei Ling, and I'm excited to show you around this one-of-a-kind community. Bloomfields has been thoughtfully designed with the active adult in mind. It's all in the details, from thoughtful resort-style amenities to a prime location and beautifully designed homes. Our resort-style amenities bring everyday luxury to life. Relax, recharge, and enjoy the best of comfort and convenience. Unwind at the community clubhouse, complete with a card room, game room, and lounge areas. Or get a workout at the state-of-the-art fitness center by practicing your golf swing, working out at the gym, taking a yoga class, or soaking up the sun at the community pool. Enjoy spending time outside? We have plenty to do around the community. Whether you're spending your time at the potting shed and herb garden, simply enjoying a nice evening around the fire pit, or strolling around with your furry friend on our many trails, the possibilities are endless. Looking to stay active? Challenge your neighbors at the community's bocce ball, basketball, tennis, and pickleball courts. With all these amenities and more, you'll find endless opportunities for socializing and staying active right within the comfort of your own community. Ready to explore? Bloomfields puts you close to everything. Groceries, shopping centers, dining, and healthcare are all just a 10-minute drive away. And when it's time for fun, you won't have to go far. Enjoy nearby wineries, breweries, golf courses, parks, museums, and so much more. Downtown Frederick is just a short drive. Carroll Creek offers beautiful views, shopping, dining, breweries, and more. It's a hot spot every Thursday night during the summer where you can enjoy an outdoor happy hour with live music at Alive at 5. During the winter, you'll find it lit up with the most amazing holiday lights along the creek that create a true winter wonderland. Baker Park is another iconic downtown spot. Have a picnic, walk the dog, or kick around a soccer ball. Downtown is always buzzing with activity, and living nearby means you can enjoy it all with ease. Our villa models give you the space you've been searching for. Enter through your spacious one-car garage and step right into your gourmet kitchen. As you can see, you have plenty of room for entertaining with our spacious open layout. Plus, everything you need is on the main level, including your owner's suite, which features a huge walk-in closet and a dual vanity bath. With 3 bedrooms and an optional finished basement with a 4th bedroom, you'll have plenty of space for friends and family to visit. Here's my favorite spot, the covered porch. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee and soak in the mountain views before walking over to the clubhouse with your neighbors. Thanks for exploring Bloomfields with me today. Our new community will have access to all of this and more. Schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.